Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we will be talking about YouTube Premium versus YouTube TV. What's different? Before we begin, please do hit the like and subscribe button. So first, what is YouTube Premium? It is YouTube's subscription service. It gives us an enhanced and uninterrupted experience on YouTube, YouTube Music, and YouTube Kids. It allows us to watch YouTube videos without ads. It supports all devices with access to YouTube, including mobile apps for iPhone and Android, web browsers, TV-connected devices, and music streaming devices. It allows us to watch YouTube videos without any ads. It allows us to download YouTube videos for offline viewing. And it allows us to watch or listen to videos in the background. You can get access to YouTube Originals, such as huge selection of movies, shows, documentaries, and feature films of all genres. And you can access YouTube Music Premium. Now for its prices, it offers free trials for eligible new members. It starts at $11.99 per month for individual user, $17.99 per month for family plan, and $6.99 per month for student plan. On the other hand, YouTube TV is live TV streaming to watch live sports and news from major broadcast networks, popular cable networks, and popular networks, and also watch another popular shows from YouTube creators. It works with streaming media players, smart TVs, game consoles, smartphones, tablets, and Chromecast. It offers 95 channels ranging from sports, entertainment, and many more. It has access to YouTube Originals, unlimited DVR storage to watch offline, and watch TV from any device. As for its prices, it offers free trial for eligible new members. It starts at $72.99 per month for one membership with up to 6 household accounts. To conclude, the differences between YouTube Premium and YouTube TV are its program range, device range, and of course, its pricing range. You can have both subscriptions if you want to. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.